this is Kanishka in front of you. I am here to ask some proverbs with Mr. Deepak Jain. So my first proverb is that justice delayed is justice denied.
Okay, so you want to discuss this proverb, right?
Yes, sir.
The proverb is justice delayed is justice denied,
Yes.
right? And that's a nice proverb. Let me tell my viewers, ये proverb होती है ना, ये कहावतें, ये बहुत important हैं. तो ये कहावत है justice delayed is justice denied. तो यहाँ राइटर यह कहना चाहता है कि वो न्याय जो बहुत देर से मिले, है ना, when it is too late, उस न्याय का, उस जस्टिस का कोई फायदा नहीं है, उसका मिलना और ना मिलना एक बराबर है. तो इसको शॉर्ट में, मुहावरे में, प्रोवर्ब में कहते हैं जस्टिस डिलेड इज जस्टिस डिनाइड. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई, इन व्हाट कंडीशन कैन यू यूज दिस प्रोवर्ब. फाइन, you know, there had been many cases in which many girls had been raped. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and when the case of rape goes on, it takes hell lot of time. It does take hell lot of time to be solved. Okay,
Yes,
you know, in many cases it was found when a girl was raped and this case was sub judice. Okay, and the person was prosecuted, but after that, you know, it took such a long time that the girl was fed up and she is actually brought to the court many a times, several times, and she's asked several questions again and again, and she has to remember all the questions, all the statements in the court, and if she actually changes the statements, she will be stuck then, because that is how the court goes on, right? तो क्या होता है, उस लड़की को बार बार उन सवालों का सामना करना पड़ता है और उसे वो याद रखने होते हैं कि पिछली बार मैंने क्या बोला और मुझे वही बोलना है. ठीक है, रेप एक ऐसा केस होता है, ऐसी घटना होती है, इसमें वो लड़की अगर उसे भूल जाए तो अच्छी बात है ना, एक हादसा, लेकिन चूंकि मैटर सब जुडिस है, कोर्ट में है, तो उसको वो सारा याद रखना पड़ता है. And the case prolongs or case lasts long in the court, right? Because this case is sub judice, तो क्या होता है, and it takes 10 to 15 years sometimes, let's say 8 years, 10 years. Although suppose that girl gets justice but she does not like it, you know what does she say? She says कि इतना लेट उस लड़के ने, जिसने मेरे साथ रेप किया, उसने अपनी जिंदगी जी ली, राइट, शादी भी कर ली, बच्चे भी कर लिए, अब वो थोड़ा बूढ़ा होने पे आ रहा है. सो नाउ व्हाट द हेल द बेनिफिट इज, उसने तो अपनी जिंदगी जी ली और ये लास्ट 10 years आई वेंट थ्रू हेल. ओके, माई लाइफ बिकेम हेल by giving the answers of the questions of the lawyer in the court, right? And she could not get married because she was raped. हाँ, अगर उसने प्रोसिक्यूट ना किया होता कन्विक्ट को, तो she would have got married. But you know, when the case is going on, so entire society gets to know what happened to the girl, and actually people look down upon the girl who is raped, right? Although this is accidental, this is the crime from the side of a boy, but still people look down upon the girl.
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is, such a, pathetic thing of the society, right? So but that girl has to face all this. So that is why, in this case, first of all, after the rape, she has to go through medical examination, right? And every doctor does not do that. And there are actually particular hospitals for that, because it is, this matter is, related to police, right?
Yes, sir.
So a girl has to face several problems about it, and when she goes in the court, she has to be ashamed. She feels ashamed because the lawyer, the opposition, asks several questions to the girl. So that is why ये ऐसा मैटर है जो जितनी जल्दी फिनिश हो जाए उतना अच्छा होता है. The sooner the better, right? So that is why justice delayed is justice denied. अगर 10 साल बाद जस्टिस मिला भी तो क्या मिला, ये ओनली वेयर नोज वेयर द शू पिंचेस, जिस पे बीतती है ये वही जानता है. या मान लो आपके चाचा या ताऊ किन्हीं लोगों ने आपकी प्रॉपर्टी हड़प रखी है, राइट,
Right.
एंड यू वांट टू एक्चुअली फाइल अ केस अगेंस्ट देम, है ना, और आपकी स्थिति ऐसी है, यू हैव नो मनी, यू हैव नो मनी। तो क्या है कि लेट से आपकी प्रॉपर्टी है, जमीन जायदाद है, और तुम एक बिजनेस करना चाहते हो, एंड यू नो आई विल सक्सीड इन द बिजनेस। तो पता है क्या, अब आपका केस चल रहा है, अब आपको वो केस जीत तो गए, यानी आपको 50 लाख रुपए मिस्टर अंकित आपको
Yeah.
मिल गए, राइट, लेकिन कब मिले पता है, 15 साल बाद, यानी जब आपकी उम्र निकल गई, अब आप बिजनेस करने लायक नहीं रहे, राइट।
Right.
तो although you got justice, but you know you will definitely say that what is the benefit of this now, what would I do with this money now, because you got married, you got children also, right, and now you are not in condition mentally, you are not in condition to do a business, okay.
Yeah.
So although you are happy कि thanks God I won the case, but because you lost time, and time is money, ये भी एक proverb है,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
time is money, so you would regret about that, you would not like that justice because it was delayed, okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you would say अब क्या फायदा इसका,
Yeah.
right,
Right.
so I am not able to utilize this money, okay.
Yes.
That is why it has been rightly said, justice delayed is justice denied. Now Mr. Ankit, if you want to discuss any proverb, please go ahead.
Yeah, of course, I'm going to discuss with you another one. Misfortunes never come singly.
Okay. अर्थात मुसीबत कभी अकेले नहीं आती, अपने भाई बहन और रिश्तेदारों को संग लेके आती है, सपरिवार। सो मिसफॉर्च्यून नेवर कम्स अलोन, ओके। तो मुसीबत कभी अकेले नहीं आती। यू नो व्हाट हैपन्स इज दैट, जब आपके लाइफ में आपकी आधी कंडीशन खराब हो जाए तो बाकी की आधी और खराब हो जाती है। इसी पे एक कहावत और है, वन प्रॉब्लम लीड्स टू अदर, वन प्रॉब्लम लीड्स टू
To other.
अदर, राइट।
Right.
मुसीबत कभी अकेले नहीं आती, राइट। एक ये एक्चुअली दिस इज समथिंग विच इज नेचुरल, व्हेन समथिंग यू नो रॉन्ग हैपन्स टू यू इन योर लाइफ, then some certain other more things are also waiting for you. One problem leads to other, right? Let's say in your physics, in your like health, in terms of health, you have any problem, okay, any disease, but if you don't cure it, right, it will lead to other. So similarly in the life also, let's say you have some enmity, animosity with somebody, right, a spat is going on,
Yeah.
right, then let's say you have a spat with your neighbor, and you have a spat with your friend as well, right, because of certain reasons.
Yeah.
So when your friend comes to know that your neighbor is against you, and you actually there is a spat going on between both of you,
Yes, sir.
then they will also take advantage of that. So earlier they were just planning to take revenge on you, but now as they know that you have a spat with your neighbor also, so now they are also ready to attack, right.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So earlier already you are under the depression, tension with your neighbor, then one more person comes, right, to just attack on you, to beat you. So that is why in those conditions people use like misfortune never comes alone. When the things happen one after another, right, one after another, because you could not overcome one problem and second is knocking at your door, and then you simply say misfortune never
singly.
comes alone.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So two proverbs are there, right,
Right.
Yes, sir.
and I hope you understood the meaning of them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will do communication on the proverbs like this, and in this video it is enough, okay, and we are going to take a pause now, and but be ready to discuss more and more proverbs, right.
Right.
By the time, let's take care, and let's say bye to the viewers.